Many developers are confusing between Azure Data Lake Storage and Azure Blob Storage. In this part, of course, I'm going to detail what is the main difference between the two technologies.
In Azure Blob Storage, you can store large amount of unstructured object data in a single hierarchy, also known as a flat namespace. You can access this data by using HTTP or HTTPS. Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 built a blob storage and optimize input and output of high volume data by using a hierarchical namespace that you turned in the previous exercise. Hierarchical namespace organizes blob data into directories and store a metadata about each directory and the file within. This structure allows operations such as directory rename and delete to be performed in a single atomic operation. Flat namespace, by contrast, requires several operations proportional to the number of the objects in the structure. Hierarchical namespace keep the data organized, which yield better storage and retrieval performance for analytical use case and lower the cost of analysis. Azure Blob Storage versus Azure Data Lake Storage. So if you want to store data without performing analysis on the data, set the hierarchical namespace option to disable to set up the storage account as an Azure Blob Storage account. You can also use a Blob Storage account to achieve rarely used data or to store website assets such as image and media. If you are performing analysis on data, set up the storage account on an Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 account by setting the hierarchical namespace option to enable it. Because Azure Data Lake Gen 2 is integrated into the Azure Storage Platform. Application can use either the Blob APIs or the Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 file system API to access to that data.